I'm Nature Nat. I'm going to be teaching you how to catch minnows today. First, take a few crackers, about 2. Set them down somewhere. Okay. Break them up somewhat, little. Toss them around there. The cracker. Hold on. Okay. Now close it back up. Okay. Now we got our crackers in there. Now this is the really easy part. Just throw it out somewhere. Now leave it for a while, around 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and I'm Nature Nat. I'll be back with you after I'm done playing when this is after 10 minutes. Yeah.